And we got Eduardo.
Hello.
Is your full name Edward?
It's Edward.
It's Edward?
Edward Joseph
Lang.
Can we put, you say your last name on the blog? Yeah, whatever.
Yeah, our blog's name is our last name.
My last name sounds Asian, but it is not. It's actually German.
Ooh.
Yes, so it used to have an E at the end of it, and like a lot of cases, like the last letter of a last name or like a letter of a last name like usually would drop off, like when your ancestors came across, like it's pretty common.
Guess what?
Did it happen to you too?
Brookhart too. There used to be an E at the end of Brookhart.
So it looks Asian now with an E, like it really wouldn't, because like Jessica Lang, you know, for example, but like in German it would be pronounced Lange, which like doesn't really sound Asian, but Lang does. Yes.
You get the best of both worlds.
Yeah, exactly.
So we are back in the theme parks. We're with Eddie. We're with Katie.
Hey.
We're with Sarah. Thank you guys for all the support with the vlog not going up yesterday. You know, we said it before. We show you guys like literally 95% of our life. Like, we give you guys so much of our life, but sometimes we just need a day. Sometimes we need to figure out some stuff going on that we don't show or talk about. But you guys were awesome with all your messages, not, you know, just being supportive, being like, just do you. If you want to take a day, take a day. If you want to take a month, take a month. We will not be taking a month off YouTube. But we appreciate it, and we're back. Right, Eddie?
Yes.
Eddie
well,
didn't,
they're back, but I'm not.
Eddie
I mean, I'll be here sometimes.
Eddie didn't know I like Beverly, so we're gonna go there and show him how much I love it.
I saw a girl the other day have 3 cups of Beverly in a row, like without even flinching, not making a face. I was like, what a monster. And now apparently Peter likes it too. I don't know. I'm
about to gurgle this in front of Eddie.
My favorite Club Cool soda, so I don't really drink soda that much.
Pop.
Yeah. But I do like the beta.
Ew, it's like
no, it's so good. Wow, look at our faces.
I know, we're super red. Can you see this?
Ooh.
Fancy. We have friends with us too.
Yeah, friends that like Beverly. This half of the friends.
You're gonna have Beverly with me, right?
Yeah.
Wait, I want in on it. I mean, if everyone's doing it.
Eddie, get on the Beverly.
I have to?
You have to.
Oh gosh. Does that mean I have to too?
Yeah.
I guess we're all
Beverly.
doing
Wow,
it.
wild, crazy Disney kids. Beverly shot.
Get in the shot.
Get in this, 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 get in this.
Ready? Cheers.
Ready? Cheers, guys. Thumbnail action. Oh gosh, oh gosh.
This is so exciting.
Ooh.
Oh, stop it. It's so good.
Gotcha.
You know what? It's that aftertaste. Wait, I'm actually trying not
It's
to
the
get
baby puke aftertaste. Here it is, it's the bile.
we're
It tastes
gagging.
like bile.
No,
It tastes like medicine.
just like
Or like bubble
I
gum.
do too.
So we're medicine. It tastes like bad penicillin. Penicillin.
Also, we're the headband brigade.
Look at us.
Get in here, Emily. She made
Yeah,
them.
she makes them. Main Street Traveler, check her out. She's the best. We love the headbands.
Katie is diligently checking out the menu.
There's like nothing.
Oh no.
We're halfway through.
She's a vegetarian, so that's what she means. When we were here opening night, we literally were like back by that table for this line. So it's really nice that the line isn't so long, but Eddie is going to be getting the same lobster mac and cheese that we did.
So good.
We're getting lobster chips.
There's no
Okay.
lobsters left in Maine. There's none.
And I feel like it's like the most popular meat this
Yeah, it's
festival.
really like
It
the
is,
seafood
but it's
stuff.
divine. It's just like a little bit more expensive, but everything I've had so far has been like good portions.
Lobster bisque cheese.
These lobster chips have lobster topped house-made chips with lobster bisque cheese sauce, pickled jalapenos, and citrus cream, which is like my favorite. So I'm so excited.
have a good one.
First opinions.
Delicious.
Here's the menu at the Masterpiece Kitchen. Eddie's going to get the mushroom risotto.
Which we did not get last year.
We got it 2 years ago. I'm gonna try and put the footage in here.
Yeah. Thumbs up or thumbs down for what we just ate?
The risotto was very good. I would get that again. I think it was a tad bit pricey for, I think if it was $6, it would have been okay. The
go to the
smoked
water.
salmon tartare for $12, I would not get that.
Yeah, I think it was a, what's the word? It's like a piece. It's
It's more of the
signature
way it looks
piece.
than it does
Yeah. And it was amazing. I thought it was delicious. Dom utterly did not like anything from this booth because of price point. Come at me, Dom. But it's true. You couldn't look. He couldn't see past the money to see the value in the food.
Right, because this festival overall is more expensive than Food and Wine because they're more like crafted pieces.
But it's got like aged Parmesan, truffle shavings, and Zinfandel reduction, like a red wine reduction.
Yummy.
So good. For the first, this is a breaking announcement. For the first time in the last like 6 festivals, we're getting the creme de brie. We're getting a festival item from the France Pavilion. We're getting the creme de brie and pepette pain, warm creamy brie in a house-made bread bowl, $7.75. It looks delicious in the photo. I'm nervous about the size, but I'm optimistic that it's going to be delicious. I'm surprised by the size. I think it's a decent size. It's bigger than I expected.
It's bigger than you expected?
You didn't show the top that has a cool logo, but Sarah will try to find a photo from the internet to put right here. There's like a little print on there of the Eiffel Tower. How is it? Delicious? Taste to the bottom is amazing.
It's your favorite bread. Like it tastes like.
Oh, it's my favorite cheese too.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That was Hawaii.
Oh yes. Oh, I need to get it.
I need to hold
I almost
that.
bought 2. It's the smallest little scoop that they do, but it's delicious still.
How do I eat this?
It's so good.
Scrape it.
It's so good.
Is it your first bread bowl?
Yeah.
I'm like made of bread bowls.
It was so good.
Katie, where'd you just go? Did you share with Eddie?
Alrighty, so we're stopping in Japan, our last one of the night. We're getting the sushi donut, $7.50. I've heard mixed reviews. I'm excited to just redeem the Japan Pavilion because every time we've gone past it before, it's like closed in our face or it's just been like closed before the rest of the park. So we're finally redeeming ourselves. Photo shoot. Follow Katie Vining on Instagram.
Here it is.
Shoes, courtesy of S. Brookhart.
Oh my god, what's that? Like bacon jelly?
Sushi.
Is that like
donut.
soy sauce jelly?
But is it cut? Did you figure it out? Is it cut already?
I don't think it is. I think you actually
Calvin
have
only
to.
got the same
Is
thing.
that soy sauce
I'm not
jelly?
sure.
I don't know,
not
but I
cut.
have soy sauce in my hand because I'm obsessed with soy sauce.
Yeah.
She is skilled and is using chopsticks.
I am skilled in the art of the American fork.
Peter used to have a titanium spork that he would use.
Come on, that was like chubby 12-year-old Peter days.
No, that was not. That was when we were dating.
It's gone.
There's nothing for you to fork up.
It was
It's all
good.
done. They almost finished
I'm
it,
almost
but
done.
it's the first time they're eating with the Brookharts and they realize that Sarah and I inhale food.
I didn't pace
It's so
myself
good.
appropriately. Yeah, I'm just saving
The
up for second
wasabi.
win. I'm like, I'll come alive second half.
And
of
we're
this.
in trouble because these two say they found a good sushi place in Central Florida.
Yeah.
So we will
Now,
we'll
but the
definitely.
name.
So it's
Yeah,
Yeah.
we won't
No,
put.
but the name escapes us.
Good. Keep it escaped, and then when the vlog's off, we'll find it. We'll go over dinner. We'll vlog about it, but we will never tell the location. We'll leave like breadcrumbs to
Right.
figure it
But it
out.
would be like the best,
scavenger
the
hunt.
best food blog.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have a different couple performing today at the American Garden Theater. Meredith Ingleson and Steve Blankard. I think we saw Steve last year. They're here today, if you're here, and tomorrow, 5:30, 6:45, and 8. Steve was from Beauty and the Beast. Yes, we did see Steve last year. And Meredith is from Beauty and the Beast as well. She was Babette and the original cast of Little Mermaid. They're singing some good old Phil Collins. Eddie and I were just singing and dancing to each other to this Phil Collins song. So, I wish I got that on camera, but it was good and theatrical. Why is the German pavilion so empty? Are you getting something, Eddie?
I'm not getting anything.
Then let's move.
First of all, I have a
You pair this
suspenders
up.
from here,
The
but,
leader
like,
hosts
I
and says-
honestly really think that I need this.
I think you should get
I
it.
think I need it.
You should get it right now.
I'm not gonna get it right now, but I think I might.
Get it
need
right now.
Guys, Peter almost just threw the camera at me, and I was like, no. Anyway, all of that.
It was like this.
Make fun of me.
It was like this. No!
I thought he was gonna throw it.
Yeah.
Right. Well, all for you, Mushu. We found another little Disney character hanging out by the China Pavilion. Oh god, that literally gave me a heart attack. You gave me a heart attack.
What? When I threw the camera
You
at
gave me
you?
a fright? No, wait, that wasn't good.
Oh, it'll never be as good. It'll never be as good.
Okay, now do it on time because it's so close.
That was good, but it was way better the first time without the camera. Are you going?
Yeah.
There are four car alarms going off.
This is so much.
Insanity. We're home. We're home. Home in the honey pot. I want to go to McDonald's and get a milkshake and french fries.
But I want to show you guys my new headbands. So Emily and Tom, they have this shop, Main Street Couture. Actually now it is called Main Street Traveler, and she gave us some headbands.
And these are the same headbands that Sarah's wearing.
Yeah.
And that there's the Christmas one that you have like a 2, and you can show them. They're just not. Some of them aren't released.
So this is a Haunted Mansion inspired one. It's got like the purple wallpaper, and then this is like the costume for the cast members.
Yeah.
And then this one got Mickey Mouse all over it with the little...
This is the one that Katie was wearing tonight, right?
Yes. And then this one has not been released yet, but it's Dumbo inspired. So it's got the red and white stripes.
Super good for Disney bounds.
And
Super good
then
for subtle touches.
Gray and yellow.
I just love this, and I love when at the end of the day my best friend Sarah does not have a headache.
And they're like sometimes ears are like they hurt or they're too much for my outfit, but these are like the perfect like little touch of Disney. So you should go check out their page. They have a ton of Valentine's Day designs that are coming out this weekend.
But I need to use this right now and work on my calves and my Achilles because it's hard. Tonight's movie of choice, Daddy Daycare. This is a movie that's going to have a really annoying...
E-R-O-C-C-O-L-I. I am the broccoli and don't know why. Do you guys like this movie?
Oh, what's today's date? 24. We all have 2 lives. The second one starts when we realize that we only have one. Ooh. That's real deep. That was our day. It was a lot of fun. I didn't think today was going to be... I forgot that we had... I shouldn't say I didn't think. I forgot that we had those plans today at EPCOT. So that was a lot of fun.
Yep. Thanks for being understanding about no vlog going out today. You know, it's just one of those days yesterday. Why do I look super tan?
Because you are super tan. Tomorrow's an exciting day for 2 reasons. One, we're cooking lobster for dinner, or for lunch or dinner. And 2, our IVF consultation is tomorrow. So tomorrow will be chock full of information.
Very big day, Pascal.
Very big day. So as you're watching this, we'll probably be at the doctor or leaving the doctor.
Yep.
So, we love you guys.
It's good to be home.
It's good to be home.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.